Hi guys, my name is Tabitha and this is my son Slater. Today we are going to be giving you a look at this amazing face painting kit. This thing comes with everything you need to get creative. You get 42 vibrant colors with a mixture of finishes. You get brushes, sponges, stencils, and even some fun stickers and glitter shades and rhinestones to add a little extra sparkle. The paints are water activated, so they go on really smoothly. Depending on the amount of water you add, you can get a more sheer color or you can get a more opaque finish. Now, sometimes I will use these dry just to give a shadow effect to the paint, but these are intended to be used wet. I'm using them here to paint a simple design on my 4-year-old. He chose a little monster claw coming out of his face. They are super easy to blend and the color payoff is incredible. I was thoroughly impressed. I have done quite a bit of face painting in my time and I have a lot of name brand face paints, so I wasn't sure what to expect, but I was thoroughly impressed by this kit. And then cleanup is going to be super simple. The colors wash off easily with warm water and a mild cleanser. And then I also tested out a few of the other shades and glitters on my own skin just to give you a look at some of the finishes and just some of the unique colors and options that this kit offers. This is going to be a great option for birthday parties, Halloween, or just some creative playtime to have at home. I think it's a lot of fun. It's definitely a beginner-friendly kit that's going to give kids a chance to express themselves while keeping cleanup easy for parents. I thoroughly enjoyed this kit, and my son loves to get his face painted, so I know that it's going to be very loved by us, and I think that you guys would love it just as much.